The Polish government has announced that two Belarusian helicopters violated Polish airspace by crossing the border into Poland. Minsk denies the claim, but eyewitness accounts have also confirmed that the aircraft crossed the border. Warsaw has condemned the incident and summoned the Belarusian charge d'affaires to explain it. On Tuesday morning, shortly after 9 a.m. local time, a photographer in northeast Poland posted photographs on Facebook showing two Belarusian military helicopters. Other local residents also reported seeing the aircraft. Shortly afterwards, the operational command of Poland's armed forces issued a statement saying that Polish airspace had not been violated and that the helicopters were conducting patrols on the Belarusian side of the border. However, in the evening, the Defense Ministry issued a contradictory statement revealing that the Belarusian aircraft had in fact crossed the border into Poland. NATO allies located along the alliance's eastern front are growing worried about the presence of Russia-linked Wagner Group mercenaries in Belarus, where some have been deployed since a short-lived mutiny in Russia in June. Poland, Lithuania and Latvia, the members of NATO, and the European Union, which border Belarus, had already been on alert since large numbers of migrants and refugees began arriving at their borders from Belarus 2 years ago. They have accused Belarus's President Alexander Lukashenko, an ally of Russia, of opening the migration route in an act of hybrid warfare aimed at creating instability in the West. Severe flooding in Beijing was caused by the heaviest rainfall in 140 years. According to local meteorologists, there is little respite for the region as Typhoon Khanun lashes Punjab with wind and air. Between Saturday and Wednesday morning, 744.8 mm of rain fell in the Chinese capital from the remnants of Typhoon Doksuri. According to the Beijing Meteorological Department, this is the heaviest rain received over consecutive days since 1883. Meanwhile, Typhoon Khanun packed winds of 220 km per hour. It is the equivalent of a Category 4 Atlantic hurricane as it made its nearest pass to Japan's northwestern Okinawa Islands early on Wednesday. In the past 24 hours, many locations in Okinawa have received 175 to 220 mm of rainfall. NASA's Deep Space Network or DSN has successfully detected a carrier signal from the Voyager 2 spacecraft. The finding comes days after an inadvertent command led to a loss of communication with the legendary spacecraft hurtling into interstellar space. The erroneous command disrupted communication with the probe after its antenna was removed. The DSN is an international array of massive radio antennas. It is responsible for communicating with missions across the cosmos. The carrier signal detection was compared to hearing the spacecraft's heartbeat. Although it's weak at the moment, the heartbeat confirmed that Voyager 2 is still operational and transmitting signals.